Attention! The next 7 train to Manhattan is now arriving. Please stand back from the platform edge.
This is Parsons Boulevard.
This is a Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Northern Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention, the next 7 train towards to Manhattan is now arriving. Please stand back from the platform edge.
This is Northern Boulevard.
This is the Manhattan-bound 7 local train. The next stop is Parsons Boulevard.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention everyone. The next 7 train to Flushing Main Street is now arriving. Please stand back from the platform edge and watch the gap while you're boarding or exiting the train when it arrives.
This is 40th Street.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Attention. If you see any suspicious packages or an activity on a platform or train, do not keep it to yourself. Tell a police officer or MTA employee. Remain alert and have a safe day. Attention everybody. The next 7 train towards to Manhattan is now arriving. Please stand back from the platform edge and please watch your step while you're exiting or boarding the train. This is the Manhattan bound 7 local train. 20th Avenue is next. Stand clear the closing doors, please.